Hello friends, this is to inform you about SQL DBA live online training. The batch is scheduled for June and July. Sessions will be completely into practice orientation, job orientation, making us ready for the job desk, completely into real time, and day-wise concepts, day-wise roster, day-wise FAQs and answers. Completely example and scenario-based activities right from the scratch. We'll be taking SQL basics first. Step by step, we'll start from the very basics of what is database, what is SQL. Slowly step into installations. Step into something called SQL basics, schemas, constraints, RDBMS concepts, normal forms, joins, procedures, triggers, and linked servers. After we learn the architecture part and the basics, then step into the actual DBA concepts. Right from basic DBA like backups, restores, jobs, maintenance plans, security management, migrations, performance tuning activities, optimizations, execution plans, logs, deadlocks, live logs, replication. We call HADR mechanisms. Understand about log shipping, replication, mirroring, always on log shipping, health checks, and common errors and solutions. If we come across a database down, server down, what we need to do? We'll be understanding these activities as well slowly step by step. And then we'll be having the Azure activities, Microsoft Cloud. We'll be understanding cloud concepts from scratch like cloud architecture, cloud configurations, deployments and migrations, alerts, tuning, backups, restores and geo replication, something called server failover. I said something called because I assume we are very new to database, new to administration. We'll start from the very basics carefully step by step. And finally DP300 examination guidance. So complete practice orientation, no second thought. Need your support, on-time practice required from your end as well, so that we can enjoy the actual essence of our classes for SQL DBA. With this information, yes, I shall be available for doubts, clarifications, anytime during and after the course. In case if you have any clarifications from your job, you can always contact me directly. And you may contact our team for non-technical questions if any. You may contact me as well, no problem. Or you may contact our team that operate 24/7 for non-technical questions if any. Glad to assist you. And how to contact us? sqlschool.com or on the screen. You can reach me directly 90300 number or our team. Thank you so much. See you in our actual classes. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. And here are the latest schedules for various courses. It will always be up to date. Will be always be up to date with our latest technologies, latest happenings in the relevant technologies. And sessions will be completely into practice orientation. We request your support. We require your support. In case once we join the course, make sure you have thorough practice and thorough concentrated learning. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon in our actual classes. Thank you once again.